Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can get sprinklers in Stardew Valley. Basically, getting sprinklers is a straightforward process. The thing that you want to do is to go ahead and keep playing the game, keep farming until you level up your skills to level 2. So basically, we have this crafting options right here on which we have a few things to craft on our farm in order to build it. So let's just go ahead and get to the farm real quick before we go ahead and give you an example of the crafting option. Basically, the only thing that you need to do is to go ahead and get yourselves 5 copper bars and 5 iron bars. Basically, after getting those 2 items, you will be able to craft your own sprinklers. So once again, just press E on your keyboard, click on crafting, and the sprinkler will be right here. Just go ahead and click on it, and basically right after that you will be able to exit out of your inventory, or you can just place it right here. And right after that, you then want to head over to the menu or your inventory, and then you can place it to whatever you want to. So this is only an example since I don't have a sprinkler yet, or my farming is in level 2, but you need to go ahead and be level 2 in order to unlock the crafting recipe. Once again, it's going to be 5 copper and 5 iron. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.